She's that Xiao Yun is there. Oh my. There's like a dog's ears. With his bird. Oh, wait, what part are you? In the city, and then, gonna kill the emperor, and then I am not gonna die, and then bow to you, and it's like a really ugly sword. And then they run across the roof, and then all the fireworks go off, and then, like, he dies or something. Oh, no, wait, something like, she caps it with the fan. Oh, yeah, she gets the sword and she doesn't. And then she pierces it in his, like, thing right here. Yeah. And then, everyone bows. This is everyone bowing. Spider. And then, he's like, he's saved China. And the sword. And then she takes the horse. Oh, yeah, then he turns to shine, and then he's like 1,000 years, that girl, not, you don't get that girl. You don't get that girl in 1,000 years, don't get her. And then they're back at the house under the tree, and then the dad's like, you have honored me. What is that? I believe that's the cherry blossom tree, or whatever they have. No, they need some Okami stuff in here and rejuvenate that. And then she goes, oh, father. They're hugging, and then the grandma's like, there's a man at the door. Can he stay forever? Stay for dinner? And then, yeah, heart, into your heart. Yeah. And then she gets a spot on the shelf.